Yeah, it has eggs, look. You see? Look at the eggs.
Dude, look at the eggs.
Huevitos.
They're fucking eggs.
Look, eggs.
Hey, should we like catch them?
Don't
These are the eggs right here. They're very fragile.
touch them. The hell?
I am its new guardian!
And there's a carrot that... Oh, what the fuck?
Hey, is that a car cat? Oh, dude, there's whole massive eggs.
Really?
Daryl.
Dude, where is it?
Where's the egg?
Oh, there's a crushed egg right there.
Hey, I think I accidentally stepped on the egg.
What?
I don't know where they are. They lost them. They stepped very touchy.
Oh shit, where'd they go? Where's it? Oh, crap.
Did you step on it?
No.
Are you serious?
No, I didn't step on it.
What if you stepped on it?
I didn't.
You fucking lost it. Oh, it's right there. It's right there.
Where? Oh, yeah. Wait, where?
Wait, it's like somewhere over here. Careful.
No, really, where is it?
I don't know.
I don't know what the fuck.
Where's it at? Dude,
The
we
thing's
should've-
over there.
I think we're... Hey, let me videotape. You look.
Hey, where are the eggs? Oh my god, where'd they go? Wow.